These are the elevators at the Primary Health Network in Sharon, Pennsylvania. These are Schindler, first-gen older Schindler 3300 elevators. Oh, now this one decides to open up before that one opened up. Oh, and the COP on the inside was replaced. Go up to 5, here we go up. Through Schindler, because there's atoms, there would be like a weird mounted panel. I think the other one also was a replaced COP. That's what it sounds like. I haven't been in the other one yet though. Here at 5. 580. Back down the lobby. There's a desk. Can't tell if there's anyone there though. It's black, like door frames, which is a little interesting. It's a basic Schindler 3300 cab. It's kind of like a typical 3300 cab for this era. I would say like mid 2010s. Certificate installed in 2003. Oh, there's like a parking garage next door. I think that certificate's for the parking garage next door they put in here. What's up with all these wrong certificates? Penn Station Nanger, there was a wrong certificate in the elevator too. Here back in the lobby. So I guess whatever's in the parking garage, I haven't been in there yet, it's from 2003. These are probably mid 2010s. Here back in the lobby. Parking garage is over there. It wasn't that's gonna be it.